7 ways to increase your spiritual connection and really begin living the life that you want. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high, like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're soaring in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Having a deep spiritual connection is so important to living the life that you truly deserve and you truly desire. And we knew that when we decided to title this particular video, that a number of people wouldn't open the video up, wouldn't watch the video, because they're not concerned about a spiritual connection, because they can't see it, because they can't touch it, because they can't feel it. But the truth of the matter is that spiritual connection, deep, personal spiritual connection, increases your ability to manifest the life you desire more than anything else you can do. So high flyers, the first is daily connection with source energy, with higher consciousness. I'm not going to define God for you. That's your job. What I am going to say is that there is higher consciousness in the universe. There is this source energy that permeates and flows through all of the universe, through all of creation. And you can connect with that source energy. And daily connection puts you in touch with the universe, with infinite power, with infinite source. And of course, you not only have a deeper connection, a deeper gnosis or knowingness of reality, but you also have the ability to manifest more of the life that you truly desire and the life that you were called to live. So how you go about creating that connection, whether it's through prayer or meditation or some other method, ritual work, that's up to you. I leave that up to you. But find a method that calms your interior spirit and allows you that time with the creative force of the universe. Number 2 is to do what inspires you. High flyers, you weren't put here on earth to live a life that doesn't inspire you, that doesn't thrill you, that doesn't excite you, that doesn't manifest more of who you really are, your true potential, your true power. The word inspire comes from the Greek, means to be in the Spirit. Be in the Spirit. Be filled with the Spirit. You know, when you wake up in the morning and you have something that is important to you, something that you're excited to do, you feel in the Spirit, inspired. Be inspired. Do, live the life that inspires you. Why settle for anything less? Well, high flyers, the other day, Rachel and I were going through the Starbucks. The person in front had paid for everything that we ordered. And we ordered some breakfast, we ordered some coffees, and I don't know. It was just, do you know what I'm talking about? That feeling, that special feeling that says, with all the crap going on in the world, there are good people. There are people that still care about others. Be one of those people. Find your own way to show that you care about others. And it could be anything that you choose. Anything you choose. Whatever it is, it empowers you. The more you let flow out of you, the more comes back to you. Do something every day for someone else, asking absolutely nothing in return. Number 4 is to turn off the electronic junk. And that's what it is. I mean, this digital world, it's okay. But doesn't it feel good to listen to analog? Doesn't it feel good to be back in an analog world? A world where things are real. You know, we like to go to concerts. We love watching all kinds of people. Last year, we saw Tony Bennett, 90 years old. We saw Andrea Bocelli, one of the great singers, voices, tenors of all times. We saw the Rolling Stones live. We saw Frankie Valli. We saw others. And there's just something special about that real connection. When you turn off the junk, when you turn off your electronics, and you just enjoy the real world, the sound of a real bird, not a recorded bird, a real one. The sound of a plane flying overhead, the sound of children playing down the street, the sound of a car driving by, the sound of the ocean rushing in. Unbelievable, incredible. Be a part of the real world. So at least an hour before bedtime, turn off the electronics and get back to living. High flyers. Number 5 on my list is one of my favorites. If you want to develop this deep interpersonal connection with spiritual energy, sit by a fireplace, perhaps a bonfire. You know, I love bonfires because you can get a group of people, 3 or 4 people. Sometimes Rachel and I and Julian will go start a bonfire in the backyard, and we'll just sit there and roast marshmallows. But it's that energy, that again, it's analog, that energy of sitting by a fire. Maybe you don't have a fireplace. Light some candles. Sit by a body of water. Maybe there's a lake. There's a lake up the block from our house. You can go sit by the lake and just sit there and allow your mind to receive energy from Spirit. Spirit talks through the elements. It talks through fire. Oh, I love fire. It talks through water. It talks through earth, grounding, walking barefooted on the ground. And of course, it talks through the winds, the air. We're expecting a windstorm tonight with lightning. I can't wait. These are moments. These are moments in your life when you can put everything on hold and you can connect with source energy. Well, number 6 is connect to yourself daily. Take a nap. You know, you got all this stuff going on. Everything's happening. You're juggling like 20 balls in the air. Children, family, you know, friends, boyfriend, girlfriend, crush, this, that. Calm down. Take a short nap. Come back to yourself. Quiet your interior spirit and connect to source. And high flyers, last but not least, is read books that lift you up, that lift up your spirit, that make you feel good being alive, that give you hope and joy and vitality. It's a wonderful experience. There are so many great books from both the past and the present available to read. Read inspiring books. Hey, I want to invite you to visit miracleswhileyousleep.com. That's miracleswhileyousleep.com. And find out how easy it is to manifest whatever your deepest desires are while you're sleeping. Here's some other videos that will help you on your journey.